Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing a clear outcome for the session and break work into 25-minute study blocks, followed by 5-minute breaks to maintain focus. Set a single measurable goal per block, such as learning 20 flashcards or writing 300 words, and track completion with a timer. Schedule spaced repetition sessions at 1 day, 3 days, and 7 days to improve long-term retention. Review your performance weekly and adjust block length or targets towards sustained progress and fewer all-nighters. Convert passive reading into active recall by turning notes into questions and answer them without looking to strengthen memory. Use flashcards with a clear answer on the back and cycle through until you reach at least 80% correct. Practice with timed mini-tests of 10 to 20 questions to simulate exam conditions and reduce anxiety. Teach a concept aloud for 5 minutes to expose gaps and consolidate understanding, and then immediately correct errors with focused review. Designate a distraction-free space for study with only essential materials visible. Put phones on Do Not Disturb and use website blockers when needed. Use a consistent schedule, blocking morning or evening slots for high-focus tasks, and reserve low-energy periods for review or editing. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of sleep and short naps under 30 minutes after learning to aid consolidation. Fuel the brain with balanced meals and hydrate. Small routines like a warm-up summary and 5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.